How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 71 Chevy Nova. It's got a 454 in it. I got this car from a friend of mine that his wife, he passed away about a year ago, and his wife finally decided to sell the car, asked me if I'd be interested. I tell you, it's a super nice car. All the chrome on this car is like new. It's got the steel cowl hood. It's done in an amber fire pearl coat, which is basically the same as a classic copper factory color. It's a clean, all original panel car, come out of Louisiana. It's got, it said, billet specialty wheels on it. I tell you, super nice, clean car. So the rear bumper and everything's real nice. All the panel fitment, everything on this car is very nice. And I tell you, the color on the car is just cool color. You don't see a lot of them this color. I like the tan interior in it. It's got a nice, strong running 454. It's got hydraulic roller cam, the aluminum intake and Holley. It's all real nicely detailed under the hood. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes, aluminum radiator. Got ceramic coated headers and the duals out the back, MagnaFlow mufflers on it. Got 350 turbo trans with 2800 converter. Got 10 bolt posi rear with 7.3 gear in it. It's got Caltrac bars. The interior's gorgeous. Headliner's real nice and tight. It's got all your front and rear seat belts. The dash and door panels are all the originals, and they did 2 new carpet in it. He had the seats redone and factory covers. Just a super nice car, guys. Trunk's all real nice. They moved the battery to the rear. It's got the factory spare and jack. He's got the SS tail panel he removed and put the standard tail panel on it. He liked it better. Tell you, the car's real straight, flat down the sides. The paintwork on the car is very nice. When you get in this car and go to your shows, your cruises, have a lot of fun with this car. Got the 3-spoke sport wheel, AM, FM, cassette stereo in it. Pair of gauges there under the dash. I'll tell you, it's hard to find a car this clean and nice. Key buzzer works. Thing fires right up. Got electric dumps. Ain't nothing cooler than rolling into the cruise night. Hit the dumps, open them up. Sounds real good out the back even. Backup lights, everything works. say, it's just a super nice car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich. Have a great day, folks.